why are we here? We're just wasting our time.
That girl said she wanted to buy
Wardrobe.
Yes.
But
She just came to see and buy another
and
type.
we are at where dining section. What is this?
But she see also no see.
Everything
no like.
So sad.
So நாங்க வந்து திவ்யாவை தொலைச்சிட்டோம். திவ்யாவோட திடீர்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம்.
Joke.
Facts ra.
Okay, true. Yeah, 159. 158. Correct, doesn't it?
No lah. Around 157 in between
158. 158.
Serious?
Yeah, 158.
Jai Maheshwati.
One more time. 3, 2, 1.
சமையல் திவ்யா வந்து என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா இந்த கிச்சன் ఈ வீட்டு వేళ
ఆడు వచ్చాడంటే పెద్ద తలనొప్పరా వచ్చేసాడు
Oh, okay, sorry.
கை வைக்கிறாங்க அங்க பாருங்க வீடு பாருங்க அங்க காமிங்க.
இப்போ திவ்யா ஒரு டின்னர் பார்ட்டி அரேஞ்ச் பண்றா. திவ்யா
अरे मामा एक पिघला अरे मामा एक पिघला
thumbnail
this is my thumbnail da. But this cake is amazing.
కొంచెం కూడా తేడా అనిపించలేదా? నాకేం తేడా కనపడలేదే.
பப்ளிக் நியூசன்ஸ் பண்ணாதீங்கடா. சிங்கமாவே கிடையாது, கொஞ்சம் கூட அசிங்கம் கிடையாது. அப்படியே முட்டிக்கிட்டு செத்து போயிரு. No. So we're supposed to order it there and then get the code. Why are we so dumb? Like,
honestly
I think God didn't give us intelligence. Like,
there was a family like looking at us and then they were judging us so bad.
yeah, because we went straight to the ice cream cone
and then we just put our
coin, then it came down. There's no cone. What's so dumb? Wait, how do you think my eyes look? It's Sephora eyeshadow.
He's giving me Satya girl version.
You bloody so I am a boy version.
Yeah, you never acted like
Okay
a
guys, wow, I want to try this. It looks nice. Crush.
You can't get vodka, you get
Loca. Wow, that was a good one, bro. Oh boy. So guys, we just got the token. We're not supposed to put the 50 cents inside. Now act smart.
This is not 50 cents.
Okay, take the first coin. Phone. You put inside, and then you put the coin. And then you press. Nalla press pannu. Like bring it up. Cheat away.
இந்த பயமா இருக்கு. ஒரு 50 சென்ட்ஸ்க்கு இவ்ளோ கொடுக்கிறதே பெரிய விஷயம். Okay, you don't need this sound.
I never do anything. I didn't even touch it. Never screw the machine up. How is it? What? How is it now? Why so tight? It's 50 cents, not $1. Can you come into the frame? You are the highlight. Yeah. She literally screwed the machine up so bad.
No, on the girls.
But it's because of me, because I asked her to move the phone up.
Like in like
To get more ice
TikTok.
cream.
Yeah, in TikTok people do that.
Yeah.
So there's
What?
no
Do
noise.
what?
ఏంట్రా ఇది?
Divya, show them how you eat an ice cream. Step 1. Why do you eat it like that? Eat it like more girly. You ask me
How,
like
Like that.
bro, this could be our thumbnail too.
Tomorrow
There was a
another
family
class.
who laughed at us.
Pictures.
You look like a bee.
நீ அம்மா படவா?
அது முடி வலிக்குது.
முடியானா?
மயிறு.
மயிலானா? நீயா? Tutorial of how to do French braid
In Tamil.
in Tamil. Like there guys, what the? No, what happened? Content give me mutta word. Yeah, not gonna like it. Why does he need to like you? Because I'm single and I
ఆ కుర్చీని మడత పెట్టి మెడలు ఇరిగిపోయినాయి.
నేను పోతాను నాకు ఇది వద్దు.
She's sniffing drugs.
You're not supposed to be doing this.
Okay, so what do you want to tell my channel?
Please subscribe and like those people watching this, please like. Please be kind to my friends.
So dalla irukku nalla sei.
So those people watching this, like.
నా వల్ల కాదే బొమ్మ